In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any crypto from the platform Bitrue. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitrue, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $1,000 in bonuses. Simply click right here on register to claim. And then right here, simply enter your email address and set a password, or use one of these options down here and create your account in less than 30 seconds. So if you want to withdraw any funds in your account right here, simply go here to the right, go to assets and click on withdraw. Then up here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In my case, I'm going to choose USDT. Next, I need to select the network. So of course, make sure that you're using the same network in here as of the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money to. So in my case, I'm going to choose the Tron network. Then right in here, paste in the address you copied from your other wallet or exchange where you want to send the money. And down here, enter the amount. I'm just going to choose all. Enter your PIN code, which you need to set up at the beginning yourself in your account security. And then just click on withdraw. And then you can just send the money and it should arrive within just a few minutes. And I always recommend, if you're sending larger amounts, first send a small test transaction. And once you've received everything, send the remaining amount with the second transaction. Don't forget to pick up your special sign-up bonus with up to $1,000 in bonuses by simply going down to the first link in the video description. Just click on register to claim right here and start creating your account within a few seconds.